Same idea, but as you can see, we have mieux connaître mon lieu de résidence actuel, better know where I live, the surroundings, and on the right, better identify my ideal residential address, depending on criteria. So the criteria are the exact same ones that you had. Health, way of life. We added things like do you need accessible services? What else? I can't remember.
A lot of things, but
a lot of things.
Okay.
Can you...
There is two cases.
Yeah.
The first one is to identify my ideal place of residency.
I did that already.
You did it. And the second is one. So I will begin with the first one. It's not refinished, but the case is to click here and say, okay, I want. I'm interested in pharmacy, so bicycle piece and everything. Okay, and if you click on find my resident place, you find different resident place. It's almost the same as everything. But we do this case here. So you enter your address because sometimes you live in a place and you don't know exactly everything. And here you can explore and everything is happening. And you can find everything. Either is about health. If you want to complete, you can. Health, so pharmacy, medicine, and it say you can go by bike because it's less than 5 kilometers.
And the idea here is really to better know where I live and the surroundings. And we even discovered some stuff about our own addresses by searching, so it's pretty useful, I suppose.
It's about lifestyle, because I live near to Remish. I can find that there is a lot of bicycle area, restaurant, discotheque, everything, okay? And also... it's more about accessibility.
Yeah, it's more about what you are sensible about for. Okay, so the noise, the odor, the allergies eventually.
Yeah.
And what do we have? Okay, so it's just a Figma prototype, so it's not really live. And we did work on. Can you show it now?
Tu veux me show quoi?
The link.
The name?
Where I live, Luxembourg. The data? Okay, go the data.
Okay.
Yes, we tried to take real data to make the same thing, but for real. So for that we used this one that enable, for example, to get the density of population. Or the employee rate of the canton commune, or like the birth rate, the death rate, and something like that to know more about where you live. We also did. We take this source to get some price about apartments, and we also did. We used the OpenStreetMap to take the point of interest, and we took this data, we put it in QGIS, and then we have been able to get the latitude and longitude.
Responsive.
So we could map and take my address and see, for example, where are the supermarket and everything like that for real.
Yes, sorry.
So I discovered, for example, that I have a supermarket 300 meters of my house, and I'm very happy. So it's quite nice. I don't know if you can show the data.
So here it's a basic app developed in HTML, CSS, no fancy stuff behind.
Oh.
Just a little PHP server. And we use GeoPortal REST API version 3.
Yeah. For example, this is the output we have. So you have my address now.
Yeah.
So you can see the price rate. We also tried to make a prediction with machine learning, simple linear regression. So in 10 years, it should be double price than now. You have, for example, the closest supermarket that is 300 meters than my house, and hairdresser, bakery. You have also the birth rate and all stuff like that. It's real data, so we have been able to produce real data for my house.
And we just present 3 chapters, but we can imagine a lot of different chapters considering this data.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all.
Thanks.
Okay.